comparative degree. We will be able to identify the structure of changing superlative into comparative, and finally we will be able to change from superlative to comparative. How to change simple positive into superlative? This is a big tower, you know, Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is a tall tower. Just simple positive. Eiffel Tower is a tall, adjective, tall. Simple positive. Today we will learn how to change simple positive into superlative. Look at the changes here. Eiffel Tower is the tallest tower. The given sentence was, first sentence was, Eiffel Tower is a tall tower, and the second one is, Eiffel Tower is the tallest tower. Okay, dear students, the structure given here is, we have to use subject first, then verb, then be to make it superlative, then superlative form of the adjective or degree, and finally extension. Eiffel Tower is the tallest tower. Subject Eiffel Tower, verb is, be the, superlative form the tallest, and extension tower. It is a long tower. It is the longest tower. So we have to use the plus est form to make it superlative. We are going to change simple positive to superlative, dear students. The structure is subject plus verb plus the plus superlative form plus extension. Let's see another example. This is a beautiful city. This is the beautiful, you know, more beautiful, most beautiful. So in case of superlative, we have to use most beautiful. So this is the most beautiful city. Let's see another example. This is a charming scenery. Dear students, you can see that the scenery is actually very charming. The sentence is, this is a charming scenery. This is the most charming scenery. You know, charming, D1, positive, more charming, comparative, and most charming, superlative. That's why this is the most charming scenery. Let's practice, dear student. Change the sentences into superlative. The first one, using the rule, simple positive. Dear students, we are learning to change simple positive to superlative. Okay? Okay, let's go. The first sentence is, truthfulness is a noble virtue. We have to turn it into superlative. So what should we do? We have to write here first subject, that is truthfulness. Now verb is. Now the, dear student, the. Then noble, the superlative form of noble. Noble, nobler, noblest. So the sentence here is, truthfulness is the noblest virtue. Right. In second sentence, it is a valuable worldly wealth. Dear students, I repeat, it is a valuable worldly wealth. We can change here, it is the most valuable worldly wealth. It is the most valuable, okay? Then in the third one, the sentence given here is, it is a nice possession to us. It is a nice possession to us. So we can turn it into superlative like this. It is the nicest possession to us. Okay, dear students, we have learned how to change simple positive to superlative using the plus est form. Let's know about how to change positive with no other into superlative. This rule will give us some example how we will change the positive sentence with no other into superlative. Okay, dear student, let's move. The sentence is, no other architecture is as attractive as the Taj Mahal. This is a given sentence, no other. Sentence with no other, and how we can turn a sentence with no other into superlative. The Taj Mahal is the most attractive architecture. Subject, verb, the plus superlative, word after no other. Now look at another example. No other fruit is as nutritious as tomato. Okay, dear students, no other, sentence with no other. Tomato is the most nutritious fruit. The most nutritious fruit. Let's see another example. No other word is as nice as the parrot. We can turn it into superlative like this. The parrot is the nicest bird. The parrot is the nicest bird. Now we will learn how to change positive degree with very few into superlative degree. Dear students, let's see the example. Very few devil's seas are as dangerous as the Bermuda Triangle. Very few. Dear students, notice here, very few. So, how to change positive with very few into superlative? The Bermuda Triangle is one of the most dangerous devil's seas. Dear students, notice very few, and in the next sentence, one of the most. So, very few, one of the most. These are the main characteristics of the two sentences of comparative and positive and superlative. Okay, let's see another example. Very few seas are as exceptional as the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea is one of the most exceptional seas. Let's have another example. Very few houses are as wonderful as this house. Very few. The sentence begins with very few. Dear students, let's know the change. This house is one of the most wonderful houses. Okay, dear students, let's enjoy another video. Okay, dear students, what have you enjoyed? Dolphin show. That was a dolphin show. Exciting dolphin show. Look at the sentence. This is the most exciting dolphin show. This is the most exciting dolphin show. The most exciting. Okay. This is more exciting than any other dolphin show. This is more exciting than any other dolphin show. Have you guessed what we are going to discuss now? Right. Now we are going to discuss transformation of sentence superlative to comparative. Dear students, now we will discuss how to change superlative degree to comparative degree. The structure of superlative degree is subject, verb, the or one of the superlative form of adjective, and finally extension if any. Dear students, how to change it to comparative degree? Let's know. Subject, verb, comparative form of adjective, then any अथवा most or all other, then extension. Okay, dear students. Dolphin is the most interesting aquatic creature. Look at the sentence here, I repeat. Dolphin is the most interesting aquatic creature. The most interesting. This is superlative. Okay. Dolphin is more interesting than any other aquatic creature. Look at the change, dear students. Dolphin is more interesting than any other aquatic creature. How to change superlative with of all into comparative. Superlative sentence having of all. Subject, then verb, then comparative form of adjective, then all other, and then extension. Okay, dear students, this dolphin is the best of all dolphins. Be careful, dear students. This dolphin is the best of all dolphins. Of all, here is a clue word for you. Look at the change. This dolphin is better than all other dolphins. Of all, than all other. Just try to gauge the change here. This is the smallest of all dolphins. The students, you can see 4 dolphins and the smallest one. This is the smallest of all dolphins. This is smaller than all other dolphins. This is small degree. Sentence with one of the into comparative. Let's see some example. First of all, we will learn about the structure of comparative. There is subject, then verb, then comparative form of adjective, er form here, then most other, and finally extension. Okay, dear students. First of all, we have to write here subject, then we have to use verb, then we have to use the comparative form of the adjective, that is er form, and then most other, and then extension. So, sentence having one of the. We have to use this structure. Let's see an example. Dear students, look at the screen. It is one of the biggest dolphin in the sea. It is one of the biggest dolphin. Dear students, we are learning how to change sentences with one of the into a comparative degree. It is bigger than most other dolphins in the sea. It is bigger than most other. It is bigger than most other dolphins in the sea. I think you have enjoyed today's class. Before the end of this class, I think we should know what we have learned from today's class. Dear students, you know that from today's class, we have learned to identify the structure of changing positive into superlative sentence. We have also learned to change positive to superlative. We have also learned to identify the structure of superlative and the structure of comparative degree. We have also learned to identify the structure of changing superlative degree into comparative degree. And finally, dear students, we have also learned to change from superlative degree to comparative degree. That is structure and changing we have learned. I think you have enjoyed today's class. Now I am giving you some homework. Dear students, you will submit this homework to your respective teachers, and you know that your teacher will assess your homework, and this is very important for you. The homework is change the sentences into comparative. Dear students, there are 6 sentences for you. The first one, I am giving you some clue to solve it, to turn it into comparative. First one, it is the strongest creature also. Question number 2, it can show the most beautiful performance in game. Number 3, it is one of the attractive aquatic creatures. Question number 4, it is the most skilled of all creatures. Number 5, is one of the cleanest creatures also. And number 6, it can imitate the best performance of all creatures. You will do this homework, and I think you will be able to finish it at your home. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, তোমাদেরকে স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি আমার ঘরে আমার স্কুল অনুষ্ঠানে। আশা করি তোমরা প্রত্যেকে ভালো আছো। তোমাদের সাথে আছি আমি মোহাম্মদ